Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to talk about the review of the Realme GT Neo 2 device after using Realme UI 3.0 more than 50 days of usage. Yes friends, it's been 50 days of using the Realme UI 3.0 in my Realme GT Neo 2 device, as you can exactly see here. And I did receive long back in this phone, and I'm getting plenty of comments asking me to make a video on this long-term review. So that's what this video is about, in which I'll try to discuss about the performance and battery life and how is the display, camera and all those aspects I'll try to talk in this entire video. So what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages which I did notice with this kind of Realme UI 3.0 update in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So first thing, let's talk about the performance wise. So what is the performance in this device after the Realme UI 3.0 in this device? So regarding the performance, I did not see any kind of major changes happen. So regarding the CPU throttling, you can still see the same kind of CPU throttling is happening. Nothing much major throttling can be detected in the Realme GT Neo 2 even after the Realme UI 3.0 update. And regarding the benchmarks, let me show you the benchmarks. It was able to maintain pretty good standard, that 7,20,000 figure always. So there's no issues with the benchmarks at all even after the Realme UI 3.0 update. And regarding the Battlegrounds mobile game, still we don't get any kind of 90 FPS support, unfortunately. But with this Realme UI 3.0 update, you will be able to see the real-time floating FPS meter. Finally, Realme did bring that real-time floating FPS meter, which I'm waiting for a very long time. So which is really fantastic with this Realme UI 3.0 update. So you can actually use the real-time floating FPS meter in this device. So that's one of the best part which I did like in this Realme GT Neo 2 device. So as I said, you won't be able to play it anyway with the 90 FPS. You still get that all the options available except 90 FPS. That's something you should know, friends, about the gameplay experience and everything. So regarding the performance, I did not feel any kind of problem in the Realme UI 3.0 update in this device. So it was kind of really great and fantastic, nothing much major problems. And next thing, let's talk about the battery life and the charging. That's another another interesting factor which a lot of users are actually concerned about, the battery backup, because this is a big step, right, from Android 11 to Android 12. This is the biggest step. So sometimes we can get positive results, sometimes disadvantages, but overall in my experience I did find pretty positive results. Yes friends, absolutely, I was able to get the screen on time kind of really very high, like really very high. I cannot say that, yeah, I'm really shocked to see this kind of high level screen on time, like more than 8 hours of time consistently I was able to get, as you can see. And even there are a couple of weeks which I did use only this phone as my daily driver usage because of battery backup, because so much battery I used to get out of this phone. You can see guys, like 50% and 4 hours screen on time I got. So next in the 50% I can easily get 8 hours. Like, see, look at the battery life statistics. As you can see, even one of the users, they did mention that they were able to get up to 9 hours of screen on time as well after this update. So friends, the battery backup wise, really fantastic done in the Realme GT Neo 2, and hopefully this should stay as it is, like even in the next updates also, fingers crossed, but I cannot guarantee that. And next thing is about the charging speed. Charging speed, not an issue friends, because the phone takes from 0 to 100% 37 minutes of time to charge complete 100%. Yes, 0 to 100%, 37 minutes of time the phone will be taken to charge. So next thing is about the display wise also, I did not notice any kind of major changes with the display. So there's nothing much enhanced options. So everything remains to be same, not at all changed. But one thing is that the wide one L1 support is not yet changed. Still I'm getting only wide one, I think L3 support, and Amazon Prime HD still I'm not able to play it full HD. I'm not sure why it's happening like that. So maybe in the next security patch they might be able to fix it, but still I'm waiting for that update to fix it. And here's a quick look at the streaming quality. So you can see the streaming quality, it's only 0.46. that's it. This is the streaming quality of the Amazon Prime in this device. So that's kind of slightly disadvantage, but later on they'll definitely try to fix it. That's what we are expecting. So apart from that, next thing, connectivity wise also no issues friends. Wi-Fi is pretty strong, 4G plus I'm getting consistently. Carrier aggregation is kind of really good. So no issues with the Wi-Fi, no issues with the 4G plus. So next thing, regarding the camera wise also I did not see any kind of major changes happen at this moment in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So you can definitely record 4K at 60, 4K at 30 is also possible. No issues. As you can see, 4K 60 is also possible without much kind of problem, and nothing much major changes I have noticed even in the interface also. Everything remains to be kind of pretty same. Nothing much major changes happen in this device, as you can see. And camera quality also seems to be kind of pretty good and stable. So even as you can see, it's pretty good. Nothing much major problems with the camera in this device. So now this is a quick review, friends, after using the Realme UI 3.0 for more than 30 days of usage. So I'm not sure when the Realme will be officially sending us a stable update, because this is still the trial version. This is not the complete stable update, so this is just a trial version. So we need to wait for the complete stable version to see what's happening. But there are a couple of other disadvantages. I'll let you talk about few disadvantages. Still, the UI doesn't support high refresh rate games. Yes, friends, you cannot play high refresh rate games. I'm not sure why it's like that from the Realme UI. So I didn't see any kind of other UI doing like this. So only the ColorOS is the problem which causes this kind of issues, like not supporting high refresh rate games. I don't know, there is no point in giving the high refresh rate display and very good processor and not allowing the phone to play at high refresh rate. So this is a game was supposed to play at 60 FPS, but I mean 120 FPS, even 144 also this game actually supports. And I'm not sure why the Realme did not give that kind of high refresh rate support at this moment. You can clearly see the real-time FPS, I'm getting only 60, that's it, nothing much. You can clearly see, friends, what's going on in this segment. So this is one problem which the Realme need to fix it as soon as possible. I'm not sure when the Realme will be fixing anyway. This kind of small problem which is happening here in this device. This not only from this Realme UI 3.0, even in the Realme UI 2.0 also, same problem was happening, but still the Realme did not fix this kind of problem. So apart from this, I did not notice any kind of another major changes happen with this new update in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. And still the security patch update remains to be December security patch update. That's something you should know about a security patch. And haptic feedbacks is very strong in this device. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. This is a complete review of Android 12 update in the Realme GT Neo 2 device after the Realme UI 3.0 update and using more than 50 days of usage. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates and bye.